So here are the points, as you can see. But many a times you feel like morning is not the time for me, or I'm a night owl or like that. But I must tell you that morning is the time for all doing all the creative things, because in night you may feel you are doing things very peacefully, but night is the time where according to nature or according to rhythm of this whole world, or the cycle goes like that. Because you can observe when in the morning the birds chirping and all those sounds make you so happy and so blissful. And in the night you can see the rhythm, the vibration, the feelings are different. So every time has memory, and time has specific theme. Every time is described or arranged for doing some things. So time has that significance, and make most use of that time period. So to wake up early, the tip is you have to sleep early. You already know all this, but you just not making it in action. So as Brian Tracy says, take action now for this routine. Sleep early. For sleeping, once you start sleeping early, you will wake up early, and the routine will start smoothly. So for sleeping early, you have to wind up all the things very quickly before like 9 p.m. And for sleeping at 9 p.m, you will start having dinner early, like 7:30 p.m. So your lifestyle also get changed. Late dinner leads to many bad things for our health. Late dinner is not actually the best thing you can do for yourself. The early dinner on the other hand makes you feel light, and detoxifies early, and then you can reduce your belly fat just by having early dinner, that is 7:30 p.m. So you are having early dinner, then you are sleeping early, and then you are waking up early. Then you have whole the day to spend with you, and you will feel so good for yourself. So all these things are possible only if you were not mother, because when you are mother, your schedule runs around your children, and our schedule is no more in our hand. Our schedule runs around our children's schedule. So how to take hold of it? So for that, if your child is less than 2.5 years, then you have to be patient, because this is the time they are not so aware of the natural or day night cycle. So you have to make aware them of the day night cycle. Like you have to always tell them that now it is daytime, now it's 9 a.m. in the morning, now it's 10 a.m. in the morning. See, outside there is sun, there is light, so this is daytime. When we do all the activities, we have fun, we go around. So these are the things you always tell your children, that this is the time to have work, this is the time to have get feed for ourselves. So in morning time light is there because of sun, and in the night there is darkness because sun has slept. Like I tell Vrinda that Surya Mama has gone to his home and he is sleeping now, and the Chanda Mama, like moon has come. So moon has come, so there is darkness, but all the birds also sleeping, all the all the human beings are sleeping. Or like you can say mama is sleeping, your atya is sleeping, ajji ajoba is sleeping, so you all are sleeping, so we have to also sleep. So this is the phase. This is that is less than 2.5 years is small. You have to tell them, you have to make aware them that this is daytime, this is night time. In night time we sleep, we whatever we want to do we can do in the next morning or next day. So you have to make aware them, and slowly they will get adjusted to routine. I remember I have to, whenever I try to wake up like early, like 6:30, at the same time Vrinda used to wake up, and I have to struggle for even for my washroom activities. Like I cannot I used to be, it was used to be difficult to for me to go for taking bath and all, unless my maid or babysitter used to come. Till that time I had to wait, because even for bowel activities and all, I have to be she wants to be with me. That was the period where she was so clinging to me, and it was going so difficult. It was the same phase when I started having depressive thoughts, because you don't have time for yourself. Even in the morning, as you wake up, your child wake up, and then where is the time to think and to settle for yourself? So yes, have patience, time will change. And I also observed that whatever your mentality, whatever your energy, as I am going to discuss in this column, that about 2.5 years children get affected by your energy. As I can see now, when I am changed from that episode of me where I was having depressive thoughts, since then Vrinda's behavior is also changed, my husband's behavior is also changed. Your energy reflects in your house. You don't realize many times, but you are the main pillar of your home. All mothers, all those beautiful ladies, you are a pillar of home. And whatever you do, like if you are going through negative energy, if you are feeling low, the family also feels some low vibrations from from home, and they also feel some, because you cook. When you cook, the energy gets transmitted to the person who eats. So this is the thing, that you have to change your energy. Many other people may need to change, like your child or your husband may have to change some things for betterment of your home. But first of all, you make changes in yourself, so that you will be more acceptive person. Like you are accepting their behavior, because children are children. They do things wrongly because they are children. They may they do many things wrong, and we are here to tell them that this is the right way. So before that, you have to find your right way. To guide others, we have to guide ourselves first. We have to be strong, and we have to be there for ourselves. And that is the thing we are going to do for ourselves in the morning. In the morning, we are doing all the affirmation, all the exercise, and you are telling yourself that you are there for yourself. You do, even if you do mistakes, even if you fail, you are there for yourself. And that's the thing, that's the energy, that's the attitude of yours get transmitted in your husband and your spouse, in your children. And you will feel that, you will feel how the energy or vibration of whole the world surrounding you changes just by one good thought of yours. So yes, your energy reflects in them. And other things you can do, the children more than 2.5 years, is less screen time, more play time. Because more they see, more they watch all the activities on the screen or of the TV or mobile, it becomes restless. It's so much of information for them, it's so much of it, that they feel restless. And it may be the cause for them to not to sleep early. So at the night time, try to avoid screen time. I know it's difficult nowadays because of lockdown. I'm also helpless in that respect, because I have to show I have to give her some screen time, because she is so bored of all this staying just at home. When lockdown was not there, we all the three, like me, my husband and Vrinda, we all were always used to be outside home. The TV was just for show at that time, because husband was working for husband and I was working, and Vrinda used to go for play, like in garden or with her friends. But yes, now we have to show. I can show them TV or TV for that matter, and I can understand that. But try to less make less use of it. And games you can play, like you can play with ball, balloon, just catch, or you can play hide and seek, pakda pakdi. You must be doing all this, I know. So they do, you also will feel fun doing it, and seeing your children getting happy, they're smiling, they are laughing, you also laugh, and you unknowingly you will have the laughter therapy which is needed for a daily routine, like for your better mental health. 30 minutes of laughter therapy is needed. So you by having kids around you, you will have that just like easily. So, and make your child's mental health and your health make priority, and slowly all the thing will go in order, and you will feel better. The universe is trying to help you, but you must ask for help. So just remember, ask for help and it shall be there. All the best, and thank you for listening to this video. Do comment on my videos for more information, like ask for whatever you are feeling. And if you want to share something personally, you can send me your full name, and we can have discussion on Facebook, and then we will decide how to go forward in our lives. Happy to help you, happy to serve you. Thank you.